Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we delve into the intriguing area of robotics and AI. In the movie we'll be sharing with you today, we'll explore the world of humanoid robots and introduce you to 10 amazing works of art. These robots are pushing the limits of what machines are capable of, from the famed Sophia to the agile Atlas. So make sure to hit the like button to show your support and subscribe to our channel if you're prepared to be amazed. Enter the fray. Sophia. Developed by Hanson Robotics, Sophia is one of the most famous humanoid robots in the world. Sophia is designed to be a social robot capable of interacting with humans. She can hold conversations, recognize faces, and express emotions. While still under development, Sophia has learned to perform a wide range of tasks, including following instructions, engaging in conversations on various topics, recognizing emotions, and even generating creative content like poems and stories. Sophia has gained significant media attention and has captivated audiences worldwide. Atlas. Atlas is a highly agile humanoid robot developed by Boston Dynamics. It showcases impressive mobility and physical capabilities. Atlas can run, jump, and climb, demonstrating its agility and dynamic control. In addition to its mobility, Atlas possesses strength and dexterity, allowing it to lift heavy objects and perform complex tasks. Currently, Atlas is still under development, and its potential applications include areas such as search and rescue, disaster relief, and manufacturing. With its remarkable capabilities, Atlas has garnered attention for its potential in various industries. Pepper. Pepper is a social robot developed by SoftBank Robotics. Designed to interact with humans in a friendly and helpful manner, Pepper has the ability to recognize faces, understand emotions, and engage in conversations. What sets Pepper apart is its capacity to learn and adapt to its environment. This adaptability makes Pepper a versatile robot suitable for deployment in various settings such as hotels, hospitals, and retail stores. Pepper's friendly and interactive nature allows it to assist and engage with people, enhancing human-robot interaction. Ameca. Ameca is an incredibly realistic humanoid robot developed by Engineered Arts. One of its notable features is its human-like movements and expressions, which contribute to a more engaging and natural interaction. Ameca is designed to hold conversations and respond to questions, showcasing advanced language processing and artificial intelligence capabilities. While still in the development stage, Ameca holds potential for various applications, including customer service, education, and healthcare. Its realistic appearance and interactive abilities make it well-suited for roles where human-like interaction is desirable. Moxie, created by Embodied, is a unique humanoid robot designed to assist children with their social and emotional development. The purpose of Moxie is to actively listen to children, offer support, and provide feedback in a nurturing and interactive manner. The robot adapts to each child's individual needs and preferences, creating a personalized experience. Moxie's interactions with children can include storytelling, engaging in activities, and teaching valuable life skills. Currently, Moxie is available for purchase, making it accessible for families and educational institutions seeking to enhance children's social and emotional growth. Dactyle. Dactyle is an incredibly dexterous humanoid robot developed by Agility Robotics. It showcases remarkable hand movements and manipulation abilities. Dactyle can pick and place objects, assemble products, and even play the piano. The robot's high level of dexterity allows it to perform intricate tasks that traditionally required human intervention. While still under development, Dactyle demonstrates immense potential for applications in manufacturing and logistics, where precise manipulation of objects is crucial. By combining advanced robotic control and fine motor skills, Dactyle aims to streamline and automate various industrial processes. Each of these humanoid robots represents advancements in their respective areas, showcasing the potential of robotics and artificial intelligence to assist and interact with humans in various fields. Reem. Reem is a mobile humanoid robot developed by Payal Robotics. It is equipped with navigation capabilities, allowing it to move autonomously in its environment. Reem is designed to interact with humans, making it suitable for a variety of applications. Its mobility and human-like appearance enables it to perform tasks such as customer service, where it can navigate through space and engage with people effectively. Additionally, Reem holds promise for applications in fields like search and rescue and disaster relief, where its mobility and ability to operate in diverse environments can be advantageous. While still in the development stage, Reem showcases the potential for advancements in mobile humanoid robotics. Jibo. Jibo is a social robot developed by Jibo Incorporated. It was designed to be a companion in people's homes, providing assistance and engagement. Jibo is capable of recognizing faces, following simple commands, and engaging in conversations. While Jibo was discontinued in 2019, it made significant contributions to the field of social robotics. Its friendly and interactive nature allowed it to assist with tasks, provide information, and act as a social presence in households. Although it is no longer available for purchase, Jibo's development marked a notable step in creating robots that could integrate into daily life and provide companionship. Curry. Curry is a pet-like companion robot developed by Mayfield Robotics. It is designed to bring joy and entertainment to people's homes. Curry is equipped with features such as facial recognition, allowing it to recognize and interact with individuals. It can also follow simple commands and navigate its environment. While still in development, Curry promises to offer a unique and delightful robotic experience, serving as a companion and adding a touch of charm to households. Its pet-like qualities, combined with its interactive capabilities, make it an appealing addition to homes seeking a robotic companion. Max is a social robot created by Ubiquity Robotics. It is specifically designed to function as a helpful assistant in homes, focusing on tasks such as vacuuming, cleaning, and delivering items. Max aims to make everyday tasks more convenient and efficient for users. By combining robotic technology with home automation, Max can autonomously navigate through a space, perform cleaning duties, and even transport items from one location to another. While Max is still under development, it showcases the potential for robots to take on household chores and provide assistance in a domestic setting. Max aims to simplify and streamline daily tasks, saving time and effort for individuals or families. As a social robot, Max is designed to interact with users in a friendly and helpful manner. Its capabilities go beyond just performing tasks, as it can respond to voice commands and engage in basic conversations. This interaction adds a personalized touch to the robot's functionality, making it more than just a household appliance. Max aims to be a trusted assistant that can understand user needs and adapt to their preferences. From the renowned Sophia to the versatile Pepper and the agile Atlas, each robot has its unique capabilities and potential applications. We hope you enjoyed this showcase of cutting-edge technology. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thank you for watching, and remember to hit that like button if you found this video informative and engaging. Stay tuned for more amazing updates in the world of robotics and AI.